Happy birthday, Mom.
Carlotta
you
Woods.
are. All right.
Happy birthday, Brandy.
Now, is this your first time at GOYB?
Yes, the
Okay.
very first time.
Okay, good. Well, you are in for a treat.
All right.
All
Looking
righty.
forward.
Good. Thanks for coming. Brandy's sister, Holly. She also did my lips and her makeup tonight. Would you like to say something to Brandy?
Brandy, congratulations. I love you so much.
And this is her husband, Antonio. Would you like to say something?
Congratulations on your 5th year of GYOB.
All right. Thanks, guys.
My name is Pat Stallworth Price,
Okay, awesome.
and I'm a church member of Brandy's.
Awesome.
And I come to wish you a happy birthday.
Awesome. Now, is this your first GOYB or how many have you been to?
I think I only missed one, so I think four.
Awesome. Well, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping and talking to us. Now we have Brandy's mom. This is Sister Johnson. What would you like to say to Brandy on her birthday?
Happy birthday, daughter. You're 37 years old. You've been a good girl. Mama's proud of you. Love you much. Bye-bye.
Thank you so much for stopping.
I'm Tim Clay Brooks.
All right. And how do you know Brandy?
Fit Stars.
Okay. All right. Now, is this your first GOYB?
This is my first year.
Okay. Well, good. You're in for a treat. Would you like to say something to her?
I would like to say happy birthday, Brandy, and good luck, and God bless you.
All right. Thank you for talking. Okay. Now, who do we have here?
Alex Jordan,
Alex Jordan. How do you know Brandy?
Fit Stars.
Fit Stars also. Okay. And what would you like to say to her?
I would like to wish Brandy a happy birthday.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much. Now we have Brandy's other sister. This is Inger and her husband, James. Now, what would you like to say to Brandy on her birthday?
Happy birthday, sis. So proud of you. Continue to just grow and mature and become the woman God has created you to be.
Awesome. And what would you like to say?
Give on your birthday. Happy birthday.
Awesome. Thank you so much for talking to us. Okay, now this is a special treat. Now, who are you?
I'm Brandy's father.
All right.
Only father.
All right. What would you like to say to Brandy on her birthday?
Well, she knows she's my favorite little baby girl. And
You're
just
not
glad-
supposed to say that.
Just glad to be here at this time. I've always enjoyed coming to give on your birthday.
Awesome.
And we're just happy to be here.
Awesome.
Glad to be here. I feel like this is a day of favor. Everybody can't be with their baby daughter. But I'm blessed to be able to be here today, and I'm so excited. So excited.
Well, thank you for talking to us.
Glad to do it.
I'm sure you'll be her favorite interview on the tape.
Oh.
All right, now who do we have here?
DJ is here.
The DJ has arrived. Now you can't have any kind of party without a DJ. So what is your name, DJ?
My name is Kenneth,
Kenneth, okay.
going by DJ Kenny G for Brandy's birthday bash.
All right, we got DJ Kenny G in the building on the ones and twos. Now, would you like to say anything to Brandy for her birthday?
Brandy, I hope you have a great birthday on the 5th event. Good luck to you. God bless you, and many, many more.
All right, thank you so much. Doing great. Now, what is your name?
My name is Karen McGuire.
Karen McGuire. All right, now how do you know Brandy?
I've known Brandy since she was this little. I went to her parents' church.
Awesome, okay.
And she used to always beg me for candy.
Okay, you always got those church kids that always,
Yes.
but that's how you survive as a child.
That's
You need
right.
candy in church.
That's right.
Now, is this your first GOYB?
It sure is.
Oh, awesome. Well, you will experience such a wonderful time, and you will want to
Wonderful.
come back next year, I promise.
Great.
Well, thanks for stopping and talking
This is
to
my
me.
son,
Okay, this is BJ. And BJ is her day. How are you, BJ?
I'm doing good.
Now, is this your first time here at GOYB as well? Yes, ma'am. Awesome. Well, come on in and let's have a good time.
Thank you.
What's your name?
Julie.
Julie. Okay, Julie. And how do you know Brandy?
Mount Zion member.
All right. Well, all right, church. That's always a good place to meet good people.
It is.
Is this your first GOYB?
Oh, no, it isn't.
Okay, good.
We are repeat.
Oh, see, it's that good you want to come back. Well, thank you so much. You hit the red carpet and take a pic. You're welcome. What is your name?
Patricia Malone.
Patricia Malone. Okay, and how do you know Brandy?
For church.
Okay, church as well. We just said that's a great place to meet good people.
It is.
Is this your first GOYB?
No, it's my third.
Oh, awesome. See, you keep coming back once you've been once. Would you like to say something to Brandy?
Happy birthday, Brandy.
Awesome. Thank you so much. What's your name?
Yanla.
Yanla. Okay, Yanla, that's cute. Is this your first GOYB?
It is.
Okay, well, welcome. You're a first timer. Would you like to say something to Brandy?
Happy birthday, Brandy.
Awesome. Thank you. What is your name?
Sierra.
Sierra. Hi, Sierra. This is your first GOYB?
Second.
Okay, great. Would you like to say anything to Brandy?
Yes, Brandy, thank you for inviting me back again. I brought someone with me this time.
Awesome. Okay, who do we have with us?
I have Booker with me today.
Hey, Booker, how are you?
How you doing?
No, this is your first GOYB.
This is my first time.
Okay, well, he's in for a surprise. Did you tell him?
Yes.
Okay, good. Well, y'all have a good night.
Thank you, you too.
You're welcome. Hi, now what is your name?
Ayen.
Ayen, okay. Now, are you here to do something this evening? Because with that name, you should be performing.
Oh, yes, ma'am. I'm here to do at West African Dance for Miss Brandy.
Awesome. Would you like to say something to her on her birthday?
Oh, yes. Brandasia, you know I love you from the top, the bottom, and middle of my heart. And this dance is truly for you. This dance is about a journey. So God bless.
Awesome. Well, thank you for talking with me. Okay, now if you don't know, now you know. This is Ron, okay? He is one of the funniest comedians I have ever seen. Would you like to say something to Brandy? You are here every year doing a little set. Would you like to say something, please?
Wait on him.
It's on.
Oh, okay. I appreciate Brandy invited me to a baby shower and allow me to do this every year. Somehow she get pregnant every year, but we'll never see the baby.
No baby.
But thank you so much, Brandy, and y'all have a great time tonight.
Happy birthday, Brandy.
Oh, it's a birthday.
It's a birthday.
Oh. I'm so sorry. Oh yeah, happy birthday, Brandon. I'm sorry I put your business out there in the streets like that.
And as you can see, my point has been made. He's hilarious. Thank you. Now, this is the end of the red carpet, but this party has just begun. We are so excited what is to come. So have fun with us. Bye.